Good morning, everyone. My name is Komal, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today is 20th of June, that is Sunday, and it is weekend today. So, today's vlog will be more chilled and relaxed. And I'm starting my day by making my to do list. I don't have so much to do today, but this week I left out some topics that I will cover. Now let's get started with the first session. Here I am starting with special status of some states of a polity from Siddharth sir's video, and then I will read it out from the book. This is my method how I like to study polity, but your can be obviously different. His videos make me easy to understand the constitutional language and the words and give its exact meaning. How does it mean by the constitutional makers, and so I can read the laws in its own essence. That is my way how I do it. Okay, let's get back to studies. If you are wondering as to how I make my notes for polity, as if now I haven't started making notes for it, because it is my first reading of the book, and I will start making shorthand notes of 1 page max to max on each topic in my second reading. So, in this time, my main focus is to understand the topic, get familiar with it, with the day to day life incidences. Okay, I'm done with this chapter, and I think I will cover emergency provisions also today itself. But first, let's have some fruits. Please don't mind this mask on because today's Sunday and I have a sheet mask on with my favorite tarboos and a show which I think every Indian should watch, whether he or she is giving any exam or not. The show is Constitution and it is available on the YouTube on RSTV, that is Rajya Sabha TV. Because most of the citizens don't know what is the constitution, how important it is for them, how it was made, and how it protects them to live in the country like India. I highly recommend to watch this show.
Later that same evening.
We went out to pick up the cake for my father as it was Father's Day today. This cake is made by my dear friend Sakshi and it was so delicious. So we had a small celebration and a good family time.
Two hours later.
As I said you in the previous vlog, I plan my year, months, and also on the weekly basis. So it was the end of the week and a new week was going to start. So with my fresh plan, I have to start this week. So I thought why not to show you how I do it. And this planner I have bought this week itself. So I haven't done much on it. I have just segregated my months and my yearly plan on this. It has so many sections where you can write your wishes, dreams, goals, your ideas, and expenses and income section is also included with the section of gratitude. This spread of 12 months is also given here, wherein I have written my all the month plan and 1 year plan as well. And here I am segregating my week, that is in weekdays and weekends, and my work also accordingly. Okay, I'm done with my planning work and let's have a Kit Kat break. By the way, I'm not that fan of the Kit Kat, but कभी कभी चल जाता है. After taking break, I sat down to complete my last task of the day, that is current affairs. I have started experimenting with making online notes, as many toppers suggest to do that, as it saves your so much of time. But I am going to try this for a month, and if I get enough results and if it is supposed to be beneficial for me, then only I will continue it in future. Otherwise, my handwritten notes will be continued. At first, I have started making these notes on Evernote. I think this app is very much user friendly, and it is good for the beginners. I tried to divide different subjects into different topics, and every day, if the topic is in the news, I will jot it down in the same section.
A few moments later.
After completing my work, I took Bansi for a walk in the nearby place and spent my remaining time with him. I hope you like this chilled, relaxed Sunday vlog. If you did, please like and subscribe. Until then, stay safe and happy.